Hi YouTube, Engineer Boy 100. Alright guys, I know this video is one that a lot of you have been waiting for a long time. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Lucid AutoWerks tire dismount upgrade for the Harbor Freight tire dismount tool. This little guy is awesome, I love it, and I'm going to show you how it works right now. Okay, let's get started. Now this is the plastic duck bill or duck head that actually prevents you from scratching your rims. And I have it stored, I just store it like this upside down, but it really goes like this. Now once this is assembled, and I have another video for how to assemble this unit, it just goes on like so, and you can unscrew it to take this off to put a tire on. And that's what we're going to do right now. This whole thing just lifts off. This comes off, and this cone comes with it. This cone comes with the kit here. Then you just take a tire, like so. Put it on. Nothing novel. I'm going to put this little keeper through here, through one of the holes. One of the screw holes. And then I'm going to line up this cone, and it centers it, keeps your tire centered. And this is what you crank down on. And then you just take this whole head, which has been mounted on this Harbor Freight tool part, lower it on, and you put it on. And you put your duck bill on first. So, or you can just loosen this and just slide it off. Put your duck bill in like so, and slide it back on. Okay. Just like this. And hopefully you're more coordinated than I am. Alright, and these are just to hold these in place once you get them where you want them. So, now I'm going to take this plastic duck bill and I'm going to get it seated down on the rim here. Push it down, okay. Let's tighten this up. Tighten this up. Like so, and I'm going to get a bar and crank on it in a minute. But then I just want to keep everything kind of loose like that. And I'm going to get this square up against the rim so I get a nice even spin when I crank on it. And then once it's in place, I just tighten these nuts. Both of these nuts. Tighten them up. They might be crazy tight, but pretty tight so that this can glide nicely. Next, get your bar. And you go into this little niche right here. And you don't even have to touch your rim here. And you pull that up over the duck bill. Like so. Put it on here, you can pull this out, and then around you go. And it's pretty much as easy as pie. Much easier than before. I've got the plastic duck bill, and I'm not scratching my rim. And it just comes off. Go around here so I'm in front of you, and you can just see it all the way around, as easy as pie. It doesn't get any better. So for the bottom half of the bead, same thing, you want to use this same little niche. You go down, grab the bead, and you want to make sure that the back half is in the well of the rim. Okay. You pull that up, and then get another bar, and you turn the little duck head around. Matter of fact, I'm just going to use the same bar. Taking our duck bill around nice and slow on our rim so that we don't scratch it. And it doesn't take hardly any force at all. You just turn it so, just like with the other one, round and round. And it kind of comes off like that. And then you just get a new tire. Installing a tire, usually you can just push the first half on, push it on down like so. Okay. Then you get your duck bill, your duck head. What am I saying, duck bill? You get your duck head like so. And slide it on, Nice and easy. You get it on the rim like so. Nice and square, nice and loose. Get it square, and then you tighten up the two nuts. Nice and easy. And then you just do the exact same thing we did to take it off. You just go like so. And you want to make sure this is in the well, real well. So you have room. So you just keep going around. And just pop that guy on there. Just like that. Pop those wheels. And you're done. Loosen up your nuts. Take it off, air it up. Alright, now for some people, they don't want to push on it to install it, so you don't have to. What you do, you take your tire, I already soaked it up to save a little time. You take it and you put it over the duck bill like that, okay? And you get it started going down on the rim like so. Just get it started, just like that. Then, you take your bar and you just take your duck head and you pull it around the rim. You know, I want to get an angle where you can see this. You just pull it around the rim like that, and it'll do that bottom half for you. Like nothing. You just pull it around just like this, and that duck bill will grab that bottom bead. Oh yeah, I guess you can see it this way better. Like that, see? And you just go around. I don't want to go in front of you. And you see, I don't even have any leverage like that. Same with the top side. You just get it down a little bit. You know, here's your duck bill. Get it down like that. Okay, here's your duck bill, your duck head, and you just get the tire started. Don't push it too hard. You want to go on up. And you just, once you have it down below the duck bill like this, duck head, you can easily hold it back like that, and you just start going around. Just like so. And I mean, it's like a piece of cake. Voila. Just like that. Done. This thing works great. And let's see if I can find that dot. There we go. So let me put some squirt on the other side. I have my dot right here, my red dot. Here's my valve stem, so I'm going to go, let me put the thing back on. Like so. This will hold it for you. So usually, the tire will just go back on. You just kind of push on it. And if it's looped up good, the first half, we're just going like that. Now the second half, you get it started. Make sure this little dot is lined up with the valve stem. And then, you get it started for our little tool. Now here comes the magic. Put our little duck bill, or duck head, on like so. Like so. And we're going to go around this way. And just like before, you want to put it on the rim, okay? Get it all the way on the rim, like so. Kind of loose, just make sure everything's flush. Tighten your nuts, they don't have to be crazy tight. Hand tight is fine, okay? Sometimes you need to put a little tool here to hold it. Sometimes you don't. So I'm just going to try it without and see what happens. Okay? So we're just going to go in this direction like this and just kind of push it on like so. We have the plastic. And you still want to make sure everything's in the well. Just go around. As soon as it's tight, what's going on here? Is this part not down? Sort of. Make sure. I want to make sure that this is down. Well, here it is. And just kind of makes it just like pop those wheels, no scratches, no damage, nice and easy. Much easier for me if you've seen my other video than before. And that's how you do them. And you just do them over and over all day long. So there's the Lucid AutoWerks upgrade for Harbor Freight. Thanks for watching.